Chris has done an excellent job chumming. We now have about 35 sharks that are circling the boat.
How's this look?
Which in hindsight, maybe not the smartest thing one can do out 20 miles to sea. Nonetheless, here we are. I believe we have a fish on. There you go. Grab it. See if Chris can be quick enough on the draw this time. Yep, he's now mounting the rod and about to set the hook, or about to drop the rod overboard. We'll see what happens first. The birds are leaving smartly.
It's a little big. That's a nice size shark.
Fortunately, this time we have the large reel, so we'll see if Chris can bring him up.
I think it's a blue.
I think it's a blue. Hasn't breached yet. Very nimble. Very nimble fish.
There he is. Nice blue. Nice blue. Hello. That's a good 6 feet. Or, let's see. Oh, he's tangled in the leader. Right here. Come here. Come here. Look at him. Ah, fuck! Don't you go down there.
Very strong bluefish, blue shark rather. Don't hold on to this when you snap it.
Come on, baby. Come on, we'll get a picture of you. I just want a picture, damn it.
An intelligent blue shark, going for the props, trying to free himself of this pesky line that's
around his nose. Oh, yep. Come on. Pretty good day. Caught a mako. Caught a blue. What's next? Under the boat.
Now seems to have gone under the boat. Oh, quite a feisty young man.
It's a mature blue.
He's got his feet wedged underneath the tow rail. We hope. Yes, he does.
No, I do. There's the leader.
Yeah, the leader.
He freaked out and saw the boat again. Look at that, or saw my face. Freaked him out.
Something we wouldn't think we would see, but the shark very afraid of Chris.
Female shark.
Make sure you distribute that line back and forth.
Yeah.
You can.
Come on.
Directly underneath the boat.
There's the leader.
There's the leader.
I can see him. He's gonna come up.
You're gonna get one. There he is. A nice flash. Nice flash of white.
Let's try to get him to the surface over here.
Bring it to the front of the boat, maybe. See if you can confuse him a little.
No, I don't have the rail underneath my feet any longer, and I got a 6-foot blue shark. That may not be the smartest thing.
Maybe you got the,
There he is. Come on. You're just gonna tire him out. He'll come up on his own.
You want to take him to the front of the boat?
No, because I need my feet to lock on. I don't feel like going overboard. Because I can tell you how that story ends. All right. All right, come on.
Got the leader.
Again. There he is. Right, you gotta. Again, so my mug and went down.
There's nothing this shark is afraid of except for Chris. Pinnacle predator.
Exactly.
I'm very afraid of Chris.
Get prepared to get the gloves, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And and the cripper so we can cut them first.
Get all that right here.
Okay. I'm on a short leash.
I'm gonna walk around this side of the boat, really confuse him a little bit. You got enough line on there?
No, not really. I mean, I'd have to let him go. If he goes for it, then I'll think about it. Just want to keep him on a short leash.
There we go. See the leader again. There he is. Nice blue and white. Doesn't want to come up quite yet, though. Taking out line.
He's a big shark.
50-pound tackle, 80-pound test, and the shark taking line, no problem. Gone underneath the boat.
He's been caught before. He knows what the boat looks like, and he's aware that going under the boat's a smart thing. There he is. Again.
Here he comes, one more time.
Come on.
Hopefully he'll be tired and we can release him. Beautiful shark.
There, look it.
Careful, don't get so tangled.
Okay.
Saw Chris again and
Took off.
took off. Fortunately, Chris was able to barely hang on to the rod and reel. Thought for sure we lost it.
Grab me the glove.
Which
You're
one do you
gonna
want?
take over. Well, no, we'll get him. Did you get a good shot of him?
Yeah, I got it. I mean, you know, came around to give a nice splash.
Get him right in the face. Just to get him to smile. He's tired.
Pulling him up yet again. Why don't you put the rod and reel down in the one of the rocket launchers?
Whoa!
Didn't like that and took a chunk out of the boat.
Guy, come on, I gotta let you go. Oh, Jesus. Come on, buddy. I promise I'll let you go. Just come on up. Don't fight us. We'll snap it for you.
Got it?
Lean over. Oh, let's get one more snapshot of him. There. I'm gonna get him over here.
That was a great shot.
And up. There we go. Hey, bud. Take a bow. You got him?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's cut him free.